Hi, I'm Erin, and I would like to talk to you today about IRAs. An IRA is an individual retirement account. IRAs were set up years ago by the government and the IRS to encourage taxpayers to save for retirement. Over the years, the tax laws for IRAs have often changed. We at Cole & Associates CPAs are constantly keeping up with these new laws. The Roth IRA was put into place years after the traditional IRA and offers benefits which in some taxpayer situations are better than the traditional IRA. There have also been laws passed that offer taxpayers the option of rolling their traditional IRA over to a Roth IRA and paying the tax without paying penalties. We know that sometimes this can be overwhelming, and we would like to assist you with any questions you may have on this subject or any other tax issues. Please do not hesitate to contact our offices at Cole & Associates with a phone call or an email. We offer complimentary consultations. Thank you.